Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to edit loops in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you have not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can find all the options and instruments you can play. You have your audio record and so on. So let's go ahead guys and see how we can get started with editing loops that we have in GarageBand. The first way guys is to find pre-made loops by Apple. So as you can see right here at the top of the screen, next to the tracks option, we have live loops, and under live loops we can find all the loops that we can use that have been pre-made by GarageBand. So we have our EDM loops, hip hop, electro funk, and so on, and you can find anything you might want to use. So let's go ahead and open up one of the loops. So as you can see right here, and after opening up the loops, you can find that now we have the pre-made loop available. We can go ahead and preview how it sounds and so on. So as you can see at the top of the screen, we have the play button that's going to enable us to play this loop to hear how it sounds. We can go ahead and record something over it and so on. So basically here are all the instruments that have been played. As you can see, we can go ahead and tap on them to see how they sound. We can go ahead and manage them, add effects, and so on. So what you want to do is go right here at the top of the screen, click on the sliders effect, and now you can get started with adding your own effects to the loop. So here we have the plugins and equalizer, we have the master effects. Anything you might need to get your desired effects is right here. You even have the FX option right here for your visual equalizer, so you can access all the options right here. You can add new instruments by clicking on them. As you can see, you can record into the cell. You can even add your own loops, edit, and so on to get your desired effects, and this is how to get started with editing loops. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. See you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.